Could the secret to preventing accidents on the road be as simple as understanding the language of the road itself? Welcome to another insightful journey on our channel, where we unravel the mysteries of the American roads, one sign, one line, and one rule at a time. First on our agenda, we dive into the world of road signs. Like a colorful array of hieroglyphs, road signs speak in shapes and colors. Rectangular signs, for instance, usually give directions or information, while an octagonal sign like a stop sign commands you to halt. Yellow signs, meanwhile, warn you of potential hazards ahead. A green sign, on the other hand, provides helpful information or guidance. Next, we examine the markings and colors of road lines. Solid white lines separate lanes of traffic moving in the same direction, while yellow lines divide traffic moving in opposite directions. A double line indicates no passing, while a broken line means passing is allowed when safe. Now, on to the concept of right-of-ways on the road. Although it may seem elusive, it's actually straightforward. A vehicle arriving first at an intersection has the right-of-way. However, if vehicles arrive at the same time, the vehicle on the right has the right-of-way. Stoplight functions are an essential element of road safety. Let's visualize this. A red light signals you to halt, a green light allows you to proceed, and a yellow light warns you to get ready to stop. Moreover, in the event of broken or flashing red lights, they're treated as a four-way stop, requiring you to come to a complete halt before proceeding when it's safe. Emergency vehicle laws are vital too. If an emergency vehicle approaches with sirens blaring and lights flashing, yield the right-of-way and move to the right side of the road. But remember, no safety measure is complete without the simple click of a seatbelt. It's not just the law, it's your life. And what if, despite all precautions, you find yourself in an accident? Stay calm. Check for injuries, call for help, and exchange information with the other party. Spread the word. Share this video with new drivers, people visiting America, family, friends, and co-workers. For more insights, tips, and resources like our free downloadable vehicle maintenance charts and guides, remember to visit our channel. Keep your vehicle running smoothly and your journey safe. Stay safe, stay aware, and remember, the road speaks to those who listen. Until next time.